Hello everyone, welcome to multiple choice question answer session. Today we are going to see some frequently asked question on the computer network topics. Before we begin, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos and don't forget to share with your friends. So let's go to the MCQ session. The first question is, which of the following is a transport layer protocol? Option A, Stream Control Transmission Protocol. Option B, Internet Control Message Protocol. Option C, Neighbor Discovery Protocol. Option D, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. And the correct answer is option A, Stream Control Transmission Protocol. The next question is, which of the following are transport layer protocols used in networking? Option A, TCP and FTP. Option B, UDP and HTTP. Option C, TCP and UDP. Option D, HTTP and FTP. And the correct answer is option C, TCP and UDP. The next question is, a 4-byte IP address consists of option A, only network address. Option B, only host address. Option C, network address and host address. Option D, network address and MAC address. And the correct answer is option C, network address and host address. When two or more bits in a data unit has been changed during the transmission, the error is called option A, random error. Option B, burst error. Option C, inverted error. Option D, double error. And the correct answer is option B, burst error. Which of the following tasks is not done by data link layer? A, farming. B, error control. C, flow control. D, channel coding. And the correct answer is option D, channel coding. In asynchronous serial communication, the physical layer provides A, start and stop signaling. B, flow control. C, both start and stop signaling and flow control. D, only start signaling. And the correct answer is option C, both start and stop signaling and flow control. Header of a frame generally contains A, synchronization byte. B, addresses. C, frame identifier. D, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Which connection is necessary for a computer to join the internet? Option A, Internet Society. B, Internet Service Provider. C, different computer. D, Internet Architecture Board. And the correct answer is option B, Internet Service Provider. Which type of network shares the communication channel among all the machines? A, the computer that routes the data. The computer that terminates the data. C, the computer that originates the data. D, all of the mentioned. And the correct answer is option D, all of the mentioned. What is Internet? Option A, network of interconnected local area network. Option B, a collection of unrelated computers. Option C, interconnection of wide area network. Option D, a single network. The right answer is option C, interconnection of wide area networks. Which of these is not a network edge device? Option A, switch. Option B, PC. Option C, smartphone. Option D, servers. The correct answer is option A, switch. Which of the following allows you to connect and log into a remote computer? Option A, SMTP. B, HTTP. C, FTP. D, Telnet. And the correct answer is option D, Telnet. Which of the following networks extend a private network across public networks? Option A, virtual private network. Option B, local area network. Option C, storage area network. Option D, enterprise private network. And the correct answer is option A, virtual private network. Which layer is responsible for process-to-process delivery in a general network model? Option A, session layer. Option B, data link layer. Option C, transport layer. Option D, network layer. And the correct answer is option C, transport layer. Which layer provides the service to user? Option A, physical layer. Option B, presentation layer. Option C, session layer. Option D, application layer. And the correct answer is option D, application layer. How is a single channel shared by multiple signals in a computer network? Option A, multiplexing. Option B, phase modulation. Option C, analog modulation. Option D, digital modulation. The correct answer is option A, multiplexing. Which one of the following algorithm is not used for congestion control? Option A, traffic overrouting. Option B, admission control. Option C, load shedding. Option D, routing information protocol. And the correct answer is option D, routing information protocol. A dash is a TCP name for a transport service access point. Option A, port. Option B, pipe. Option C, node. Option D, protocol. And the correct answer is option A, port. Bits can be sent over guided and unguided media as an analog signal by option A, amplitude modulation. Option B, frequency modulation. Option C, digital modulation. Option D, phase modulation. And the correct answer is option C, digital modulation. Which one of the following is not a function of network layer? Option A, congestion control. Option B, error control. Option C, routing. Option D, internetworking. And the correct answer is option B, error control. The physical layer is responsible for option A, line coding. Option B, channel coding. Option C, modulation. Option D, all of the mentioned. And the correct answer is option D, all of the mentioned. Which of the following is an example of Bluetooth? Option A, wide area network. Option B, virtual private network. Option C, local area network. Option D, personal area network. The correct answer is option D, personal area network. Which of the following is the multiple access protocol for channel access control? Option A, CSMA-CD, CSMA-CA. Option C, both CSMA-CD and CSMA-CA. Option D, SDLC. And the correct answer is option C, both CSMA-CD and CSMA-CA. Which of the following is used in an attempt to render a computer resource unavailable to its intended users? Option A, botnet process. Option B, worm attack. Option C, virus attack. Option D, denial of service attack. And the correct answer is option D, denial of service attack. What does each packet contain in a virtual circuit network? Option A, only source address. Option B, only destination address. Option C, full source and destination address. Option D, a short PC number. And the correct answer is option D, a short PC number. Which sublayer of the data link layer perform data link functions that depend upon the type of medium? Option A, logical link control sublayer. Option B, media access control sublayer. Option C, network interface control sublayer. Option D, error control sublayer. And the correct answer is option B, media access control sublayer. What was the name of the first network? Option A, ASAP-NET. Option B, ARPN-NET. Option C, CNN-NET. Option D, NSF-NET. And the correct answer is option B, ARPA-NET or ARPANET. CRC stands for option A, cyclic redundancy check. Option B, code repeat check. Option C, code redundancy check. Option D, cyclic repeat check. And the correct answer is option A, cyclic redundancy check. Transport layer protocols deals with dash. Option A, application to application communication. Option B, process to process communication. Option C, node to node communication. Option D, man to man communication. And the correct answer is option B, process to process communication. What type of transmission is involved in communication between a computer and a keyboard? Option A, half duplex. Option B, full duplex. Option C, simplex. Option D, automatic. And the correct answer is option C, simplex. Which transmission media provides the highest transmission speed in a network? Option A, coaxial cable. Option B, twisted pair cable. Option C, optical fiber. Option D, electrical cable. The correct answer is option C, optical fiber. Transmission control protocol. Option A is a connection oriented protocol. Option B uses a three-way handshake to establish a connection. Option C receives data from application as a single stream. Option D all of the above. And the correct answer is option D all of the above. The data link layer takes the packet from dash and encapsulates them into frames for transmission. Option A network layer, option B physical layer, option C transport layer, option D application layer. And the correct answer is option A network layer. The network layer is concerned with dash of data. Option A bits, option B frames, option C packets, option D bytes. The correct answer is option C packets. The network layer protocol for internet is option A Ethernet, option B Internet Protocol, option C Hypertext Transfer Protocol, option D File Transfer Protocol. And the correct answer is option B Internet Protocol. A subset of a network that includes all the routers but contains no loop is called option A spanning tree, option B spider structure, option C spider tree, option D special tree. And the correct answer is option A spanning tree. Which of the following routing algorithms can be used for network layer design? Option A shortest path algorithm, option B distance vector routing, option C link state routing, option D all. And the correct answer is option D all. In virtual Circuit network each packet contains option A full source and destination address, option B a short PC number, option C only source code, option D only destination address. And the correct answer is option B a short PC number. What is the term for an endpoint of an inter-process communication flow across a computer network? Option A port, option B machine, option C socket, option D pipe. And the correct answer is option C socket. Which network topology requires a central controller or hub? Option A ring, option B bus, option C star, option D mesh. The right answer is option C star. ICMP is primarily used for option A error and diagnostic functions, option B addressing, option C forwarding, option D routing. And the correct answer is option A error and diagnostic functions. Which is the full form of OSI? Option A optical service implementation, option B open service internet, option C open system interconnection, option D operating system interface. The correct answer is option C open system interconnection. Automatic repeat request error management mechanism is provided by option A logical link control sublayer, option B media access control sublayer, option C network interface control sublayer, option D application access control sublayer. And the correct answer is option A logical link control sublayer. Which of the following is not a function of network layer? Option A routing, option B internet routing, option C congestion control, option D error control. And the correct answer is option D error control. The physical layer is concerned with option A bit by bit delivery, option B process to process delivery, option C application to application delivery, option D port to port delivery. And the correct answer is option A bit by bit delivery. That's all for this episode. We'll continue adding more videos on more other topics. Wish you all the best for your exam. See you in the next episode. Have a great time.